vinegar. You see the size of that brisket? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it in half. That's how I did my last one, and it came out perfect. Now, I'm gonna get ready to season this up. On this one, I'm gonna try the Long Star, and this one, I'm gonna try the Big Malt. And the next one, I'm gonna try the Big Malt. Okay? This one's the Big Malt. Since this one is thicker, I'm gonna poke some holes in it because I want some of that seasoning inside. Remember, this is going to be an 8-hour cook on that smoker. I got both smokestack going, open, and I'm waiting for it to come up to temperature. Give it another 10 minutes, and I'll start putting the meat on. Okay, I got my temperature up, and I got them both on. So with this now, I'll be back in about 2 hours. I gotta come and spray them down and keep an eye on the fire and keep an eye on the smoke. So stay tuned and I'll let you know what's going on. Okay guys, now I'm back at it again. Remember, I did the brisket. Now, I'm gonna take the brisket out and show you guys how it looks. well smoked brisket. And thank you guys for watching. Until my next adventure, I'll see you then.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to AG Born Jamaican on YouTube.
And like, comment, and subscribe to AG Born Jamaican on YouTube.